So let me start my demo. Guys, today is the second demo. Yesterday was the first demo. This was a theoretical demo. Complete detailed information I provided yesterday. And today is the second demo, practical demo. Okay. Right. In case not attended this session, you will receive video and document today. Whatever I explained yesterday, the same video and document you will find today. For that, you need to provide your email ID and mobile number in the chat room. So you all will receive that. Next. So let me give a recap. Today, first 15 minutes, a recap of yesterday's part. And next 45 minutes, I will go with practical part or current day part. So this is an agenda for today. So don't feel that I'm going a little faster because I'm going to give you the recap of yesterday's session for 15 minutes only. If I take more time, then it will be same demo only. And that too, my sincere request, I'm using the slides to explore better graphically and to save my time and your time. I'm not going to type anything in the class. More content can be covered using slides. If I started typing in the notepad or any other area, it will take a lot of time and I cannot cover more content. You're entering into graphical sector. So we will go for graphical explanation and more subjective explanation. Kindly cooperate. And you also don't write anything. Just look at the board, look at the screen, listen to it, try to understand. And you will get the document, you will get the video. So you can go ahead after finishing the session or take the video, watch the video, write your own notes. In case you are interested to write your own notes, write your own notes. Not now, after finishing the class. No, you cannot write. I will continuously explain. So in case a programming language you are learning or a very normal tool you are learning, running notes and all possible. But it's a graphical explanation component, you cannot write anything. And I will give you proper documents, just follow it. Okay, good. Yes, everyone will receive first day recording as well as document. Don't worry. Right, sir. So yesterday I explained this. My name Vinay and this is my contact number and couple of people called me yesterday. Even I'm expecting few more calls today. For your career guidance or any suggestions, you can call me on this. I'm a current working employee and the class duration 50 to 60 hours, daily class 1 hour time, Monday to Friday or Saturday. Monday to Friday compulsory regular classes will be there. Saturday additional sessions I will take. And monthly 2 Saturdays per month. Remaining 2 Saturdays, no classes. That two additional sessions. Monday to Friday only Power BI classes. So if 60 hours required, without learning 60 hours or detailed subject, if you want to face interview, you can't face, you cannot work in the real time. So I plan for 60 hours detailed training. And we provide daily class videos and 2 near real-time projects, multiple case studies. Solid theory and practical material also will provide you. This is what you guys require, that I will provide you. No prerequisite. In case you talk about prerequisite, no prerequisite. But if you have knowledge in Excel or SQL, added advantage. You have Excel knowledge or SQL knowledge, added advantage. Qualification. Any graduate can learn. BA, BCom, BSc, or any graduate. GUI or coding, fully qualified graphical component. And here we have code, but low code, not full code. And the type of subject I'm covering, basics to advanced, for 60 hours. In case fast track or customized training you're looking for, this is a contact number. Next. So this is a content I'm going to cover in the next 2 months. This is for project related, environment related content. And one thing is missing, MSBA tabular cube. This is missing. So I'm going to cover data warehousing fundamental, data model fundamental, agile methodology, GitHub versioning. High level, I will cover this aspect of project environment. So what are all these? You will come to know in that session, and you are supposed to know. 2 near real-time projects I will cover with multiple case studies. I'll cover multiple case studies. 2 near real-time projects. And you may work with databases in the real time. So SQL language is required. I will provide 3 to 4 hours SQL language. But if you want more, yes, join separately in our institute or outside. And there are 9 topics you need to learn strongly. These 9 topics list I will give you. Once you join, just focus on that topic. I will provide you material as well for the 9 topics. Material I will give you, topics I will give you. And MSBA tabular cube sessions we will conduct. Important for you. And for job trials, you require resume preparation, FAQs, mock interviews. These all I'm going to provide. So this is your environment related. That is different only for the people who want to face interview, work in the real time. Coming to subject wise, cloud components you need to learn. Power BI desktop, Power BI service. These are cloud components. On-premises components you need to learn. Power BI report server desktop, and report builder. These are on-premises. Additional supportive components like Power Apps, Power Automate, these also required. Knowledge wise, I will take 4-hour session on this in the weekend Saturday. So this is for added advantage, Power Apps and Power Automate 4-hour session. So what all required for your trials in the organizations, those I'm going to provide. That's why 60 days training. And we have huge success rate in the market. Many of our students place, not 1, 2. Even students inform us about opportunities. Students, they inform about opportunities in their company. Even companies also approach us with our process and following. And coming to classes, good theory and practical material, you will find it. The training is fully practical oriented training. And you can interact with me during WhatsApp, in WhatsApp and many other areas. FAQs also we will discuss. Daily live class videos we will share. Resume preparation sessions we will conduct. And one WhatsApp group also created for your technical questions, concerns, etc. And Power BI, less than 5 years you can try in the market with this training. Dedicated Power BI, less than 5 years. Power BI developer, Power BI support resource, Power BI admin resource. So Power BI plus SQL is sufficient in case you want to try for the opportunities. So what is DAX? data analysis expressions, a language which is used in the Power BI. That I will explain for 10 hours, you don't worry, 10 to 12 hours. And this is for combination. MSBA Power BI, Tableau Power BI, ADF Power BI, Synapse Power BI. This is combination opportunities. In case you are having knowledge, you are financially okay, then you can try. And you want to keep more than 5 years of experience, these are the opportunities available. Modeler, designer, specialist, architect. These are the opportunities with more than 5 years. But without having knowledge on 2 end-to-end projects. If you have knowledge on 2 projects end-to-end, then only you can apply for it. Without having this, not possible. So good end-to-end experience is required. Got clarity? Right, sir.
I have one question. My name is Hari Prasad.
Hari Prasad, give me a moment, Hari Prasad. I will give you a chance to ask your questions.
Okay.
I will open my. In 10 minutes, I will open for your questions.
Fine, thank you.
So I'm opening my WhatsApp. I'm opening one of the drive folder. For every batch, take 10 a.m. batch. And these are all the folders for the different batches. Batches. Any batch you take. 9 a.m. February, recently completed batch. Just before your batch, we are going to start a new batch here. Feb 14th started. Lab backup files, videos, SQL and other checklist, how to see the videos. And day-wise video available if you see this, day-wise. And Power App sessions, project sessions. I will conduct project sessions and give you respective videos and documents. Not just saying, for every batch, any batch you take, the same pattern we follow. Systematically, properly available, even resume preparation, interview guidance session. Videos, resumes, everything. Right. So what we provide, how we are interacting with you, I clearly explain. Then what I covered yesterday. Yesterday I covered data to Power Platform hierarchy. How many types of data available? How many types of storage available? Format available, first I covered. And then BA applications. BA applications use the data, not BA, IT applications use the data for 2 purposes. One is transactional operations purpose, second one analysis purpose. Okay. Next, BA applications, they come under IT application types. And IT level, business running applications different, analysis applications different. So BA applications come under analysis applications. And I explained very clearly BA evolution. Like legacy BA, old BA, middle age BA, and modern BA, Power BA. And Power BI important features I explained. What is Power BI, what it does. And then I explained Power BI, how it came to Power Platform. This also explained. So now Power BI under Power Platform. Earlier it was standalone. Now it is under Power Platform. Got clarity? Right. The people who joined today, they may feel little confused because I explained very high level. But for low level, go to yesterday's video because 1 hour I took time to explain all these screenshots. What is data? What is IT application? What is BA application? What is Power BI? What is Power Platform? And also I covered when MSB available, why Power BI? This also explained yesterday. Good. So I will share the video and document, go through it. Now I will continue with the remaining part. Before I continue next, if you have any demo related queries, ask me in the session now. Or if you have any questions related to your career, guidance, or any other clarifications, call me on this number in these timings. We'll discuss in detail. Only demo related questions, ask me by opening your mic. Can they easy for you and you can understand? You can understand betterly, focus. So my objective in the second demo is Power BI end-to-end process, practical explanation with practical explanation. Second one, giving hands-on knowledge. And if you practice today's example, then only you will come to know, yes, Power BI is easy for me, low code application, right? So something will brief it. Data, anything you are able to store. This is what I told you yesterday. How many types of data available? 3 types of data available. Later, IT applications, which deals with data within the brace. 2 types available. What are those? First one, business running IT applications, OLTP. So daily we are working on business running applications. You want to book a movie ticket, train ticket, or you want to send an amount, Google Pay, Phone Pay, those are all OLTP applications. Technically, you may not aware what is OLTP, but those come under business running. Second one, business analysis. This also unknowingly you guys are using. Especially analysis will be done by the management team, but you want to know total how much money I spent in Google Pay or Phone Pay. And there is a report, analytical report, you can see that. And if you go to IRCTC, how many tickets you booked this month, last month, you can see that classification wise. That is analysis, business analysis. Technically, we call it as OLAP. And these applications can also be called business intelligence applications. What type of applications? Business intelligence. They give intelligence information of the business. So we call them as business intelligence applications. Now, what is BI? Intelligence. This is a very brief information because I explained yesterday in detail. Intelligence or intelligent information of a business, comma, can also be called as analytical data or decision-making data. Now, what is the input to BI? Input to BI, data, above mentioned data. Output from BI, I told you, a report or dashboard. Even I explained yesterday what is report. A report, detailed data presentation. Second one, for individual operations. Second one, dashboard. Dashboard for A. Not detail, high level data presentation. B, for set of individual operations consolidation area. This is what I explained about BA. Now BA history. Legacy. Legacy means 1990 because this was the year BA process started. 1990 to 1990 onwards, legacy BA process. But the problem is multiple tools required, multiple setups required, multiple resources required, complex and costly. So middle age BA, such as MSBA, Pentaho, these are all middle age BAs. Single suit with multiple tools to perform end-to-end BA operation. What do you mean by end-to-end BA operation? That means they will take the data and generate report and dashboard. That is what end-to-end. Here the meaning of end-to-end is taking data and generating report or dashboard with decision-making data. No need to write Sai Kiran. I'll share this. This is all I will share with you. And modern BA. And one more drawback here, middle age level, mostly on-premise solution. Within the company level, the servers are created, data also stored within the company level, no cloud and no mobile and tab friendly support because old tools, no embedding. You cannot take easily the reports and place in a Facebook, Twitter, etc. areas. And no support to multiple data sources, multiple places data you want to bring, not possible in this area. You want to bring from cubes, you want to bring from enterprise application, ERP application, and other applications, not possible in this area. These are all the drawbacks yesterday I explained you. And also one more drawback, every 2 to 3 years, a release. This is one more drawback. Coming to modern BI, especially you take Power BI. Power BI. What is Power BI? So definition 1. Adding more power to existing BI. Already Microsoft having a BI called MSBI, but that more power is added, that is Power BI. And you can say powering BI. Powering BI. Adding more power to existing BI. Definition 2. A low code, less code, self-service BI. You can say SSBI, low code self-service BI application to perform end-to-end operations and generate reports and dashboards from data. So it will perform end-to-end operation in a single application with low code. It will take the data and generate reports and dashboards. So your objective after joining Power BI, generating reports and dashboards from data. Generating reports and dashboards from data. It's a low code. And I explained you with a good picture. If you take standard BA process, first layer, second layer, third layer, fourth layer, 4 layers required, I told you. This is for data gathering. But what is this process? Don't confuse, guys. Your normal business data, you want to provide analytical fashion. We require this process. You cannot convert normal data into analytical fashion directly. Example, if you want that example, I will give you that example. You booked a train ticket. How the information will be stored? PNR number, amount, number of passengers, starting date, ending date, train number. This is a kind of information stored in the application area or database area. This data. So what all the bookings happen today, that booking information like this only. But management team don't require this information. They want trains having highest booking of seats today. Today, normal versus Tatkal tickets booking. Areas having highest demand of tickets. Areas having lowest demand of tickets, like this. So this information, we need to get it from this information. And now you guys are ready to convert your business data like this. So you cannot convert directly this into this. Not possible. This is BI data, business intelligence data. It is giving intelligent data for the business. But you cannot convert. We need a process. That is a BI process, business intelligence process. Take any company, compulsory the same process. You want to construct a house. How do you construct a house? First, foundation. Next, pillars. Next, side walls or slab. Like this, one by one we follow to construct a house. The same way, normal data converted to decision-making data with a BA process. That can also be called analytical process. And that process I explained in detail yesterday. Please refer to yesterday's video. Don't feel confused. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have multiple tools to perform this operation, but no company given single tool or single application. Microsoft given first time a single suite. So MSB is a suite which is having one tool, SSIS, to perform this operation, AS to perform this operation, RS to perform this operation. Microsoft given first time. And same Microsoft reduced the burden. Microsoft reduced the burden of multiple tools, multiple setups, multiple components into single suite. But they redefined themselves into single application, that is Power BI. One application sufficient. No need of multiple tools, multiple setups. Single application, that is Power BI. That's why companies run behind Power BI. Even yesterday I showed you the market of Power BI. 42% of projects now in Power BI. Not a normal figure. Wonderful market, wonderful market. Even this down IT recession is going on now, but still Power BI having its own opportunities. And our students, 2 people informed me yesterday, sir, my company having opportunities, please refer our students. Even my previous project manager asked 2 profiles. I'll show you. And couple of our students got jobs as well. This is to motivate you. Thank you. Next one. Right. So Power BI is single application sufficient to perform end-to-end process. So this data gathering, it will do. Modeling, it will do. And reporting, it will do. These are called concepts. Concept 1, concept 2, concept 3. So these concepts will take your data and convert to BA data. That is the point you need to remember. As Power BI application doing end-to-end, this is called self-service BA application. So just provide input as data. It will give output as BA data. That's it. This is the process it will support. Understood? What is your input and output? Good. Madam, clear? Right. Now the next part. This point is clear. For this point, I opened yesterday diagram. There may be little confusion, but don't worry. Open yesterday's video, you will get complete clarity. My classes will go very slowly in detail. If you don't understand, open the video, watch it. Otherwise, call me on my number to explain you better. If you're new to IT, you may feel like that, but I need to use IT terminology only. I cannot go down with very basic terminology. However, you took challenge, SSC to enter, complete subjects different, terminology different, but we adapted. Intermediate to engineering or degree, again terminology different, how we adapted. So 36 subjects in engineering, different subjects, different terminology. Take graduation, so almost 18 subjects in 3 years, but we learned and completed. Can't you learn in 2 months a proper subject? Question yourself, then you can learn properly. You can learn. If you keep your effort for 2 months, take 3 months. Who will stop you? Can't you learn? 36 subjects and 18 subjects you complete in a graduation. Now one subject. Right. Now we will go Power BI. So what is the input to Power BI? Data. It could be any data. Output from Power BI? Reports and dashboards. That's it. Now, then what are the components it has? I will show you image focus. So Power BI components. Power BI providing cloud and on-premises both. So cloud level report development component desktop required. It will develop the report. But you want to share the report, manage the report. Cloud is required. The cloud is accessed using app.powerbi.com. Today's video you want to see in Google, drive.google.com, drive.google.com. Similarly, app.powerbi.com. This is our Power BI cloud where we place the reports and manage it. And customers come to this cloud only. Second, you are not interested for cloud. You want to keep in your company server level and manage it. Then this is report server. Install in your company and keep the reports, manage it. So your customers will contact this server to operate. Sir, what about report development? For on-premises, they given a simple report development component, report server desktop. So Power BI desktops are 2 types. One cloud desktop, second on-premises. Depending on your situation, you go for it. And this is cloud service, this is on-premises service. But report development possible here. But if you want to share to customers, compulsory through this only we can share. And these are remaining components. Slowly you will come to know, you don't worry. Sir, I studied in the YouTube and many places, Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View. What are those? Those are in the report development level, we will see. These are concepts. Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, Power Map. These are in the desktop level for report development. So this is about Power BI components. All of you got clarity? First component, second component for cloud. First component, second component for on-premises. And next component, fifth component, report builder. Sixth component, developer. I will explain tomorrow, guys. And embedding, seventh component. Eighth component, mobile publisher. These are the 8 components required in Power BI. Earlier, these 2 part of Power BI. Right now, these 2 are separate. These are the 8 Power BI components. And I will give you knowledge on all. Don't worry. Now, first one, I want to develop a report. This is the one required. And today our concept is this. I will show you one transactional data, my business, my family data. Daily transactions I mentioned. So in this day, this is the amount for this reason in this location I spent. So daily amount, guys. Lockdown time, whatever I spent, I mentioned here. This is your data input. And this is a report development component. I will use it. And I want to generate a report like this. Total money, average money, maximum money, how much I spent, and minimum amount, how much I spent. So when I select 19 year spending, 2020 spending. August I select August money, July I select July money I require. Not only that, for which reason I spend more money, food, travel, or books, internet. For which reason I spent more money, which reason I spent less money in a particular period. And in the particular period, share, travel, how much percentage money. Here, no percentage, just top and bottom. Here, I want to show percentage. Travel, 30% money I spent. Petrol, 20% money I spent. Food, 60% money I spent. I want to show. And what are the locations I travel in the particular period also I want to show. So this data is called OLAP data or business intelligence data. So Power BI desktop or Power BI helpful to convert this data into this way. But what we do here, we need to install this component. This process we need to perform. So take your input data, this data. If it is not good, transform it, do the changes. In case of multiple tables available, establish relationships. This is data change. If it is not good, this is relationships. And this is security audit. Only the authorized people can see, not everyone. And visuals, present data through visuals like this. And finally, whatever you produce, that is called BA data. So the single application can do all this. So this is called a self-service BI. What do you call it? Self-service. Data, BA data, Power BI desktop, BA process. So demo level, whatever I'm doing, in detail we do in the regular class. This for 2 days, this for 10 days, this for 1 week, this for 3 days, this for 10 days. Like this one by one we see in the regular class, but process remains same, concept also same. Data may be changed. Now I'm using Excel file for your ease of practice. In real time cloud or any other, but reports looks like this only. So your objective is this in the companies. Process also same. Only the thing is data changes. And the type of information you should changes here. Shall we do this practice? First input we see, this input, my family data. This is my family data input. Day-wise spending available. Now what is required? See, day-wise spending. Tool required. And what is the tool? We require Power BI desktop. What is desktop? GUI area, set of operations. Example, Windows desktop, Tableau desktop, Tableau also having desktop, Power BI desktop. Wherever the word desktop comes into the picture, there we do graphical operations. So Power BI graphical operations area. GM is graphical user interface. Graphical interface. Then how do we download and what about requirements? Software requirements. OS minimum for Windows 8 or above. but Windows 10 recommended. RAM min 42 GB, but above 4 GB is good. Processor minimum 2 GHz processor required, and more than that recommended. These are minimal requirements. More requirements tomorrow, comma. Always we need to check at a web link only. In the web link only, we need to check the requirements. Don't ask anyone. Requirements change frequently, so don't ask anyone. In the web level, you verify. Got clarity? Next, download and install. 3 ways to download. A, without account. B, with account. With account and without account, you can download. Without account, Google it. Advanced download. With account, A, Google it. Simple download. B, connect to cloud service and download. I will show you now only these two in tomorrow's session. Because the account I need to give, I will give you tomorrow account, but this one I will do it now. All of you okay? So what about installation? Simple. Just follow the wizard. It will open a wizard. After clicking setup file. Once you click the setup file, just follow the wizard. Go to this. Google it. Power BI desktop download. This is the one, type it. It will open downloads area. Come down. Microsoft Power BI desktop. Download require account. Go to advanced download. Clearly telling Power BI transforms your data into dashboards and reports. Now, Microsoft Power BI desktop, click download. But these are the requirements. I will explain you in detail tomorrow. So this is just download. Click download. There are two softwares available. Don't feel panic. One for 64-bit machine. One for 32-bit machine. This is called system type. Your system is of 64-bit, download this. Your system is of 32-bit, download this. Sir, how do we come to know? Don't worry. Just click on search sysinfo. Sysinfo bar system information. Click on it. It will show you here what type of system type you are having. My system is x64 or 64-bit machine system. It is generic OS feature. What is 64 and all detailed information tomorrow. Okay, select it. Next, because my machine is 64. After downloading, this is the size downloaded, 463 MB. Go to this Power BI desktop. Maybe yesterday or day before yesterday, I downloaded. This is the way it will download. Click on it and follow the wizard. Simple, no great configuration. almost like next finish only. Can you do this? Once this is completed, you will find an icon on the desktop. This is my Windows desktop. The Windows desktop, cloud desktop looks like this. This is a cloud desktop. Now, click on this. Okay. Right, I clicked on it. It will open like this. And this is called as Get Started page. What do we call it? Get Started page. And simply quick reference links available. So what are the reference links available? This month update you want to see. Current month update. Complete Power BI history you want to see. All months update. You want to approach forums for your technical questions, concerns, etc. Just click it and approach. No need to go to different links. This is the beauty of this page. Helps you to see the current month update and all the months updates. Discuss with technical people. But if you have an account, then only tutorials are open. If you have an account, then only videos are open. But you will find some tutorials, some videos. And this is to bring the data. This is for recent sources. And this is to open other reports. Right, sir. This is a window. I will close for the time being. And this is a main interface. Self-service BI interface. So it will take the data, support extraction, transformation, modeling, security. Model means relationships and visuals. Finally, BI data produces. Assume this is step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. All are nearby. So this is step 1 area, step 2 area, step 3 area, step 4 area, step 5 area. The same thing you want to do in other BI tools. Lot of process overhead and multiple tools, multiple setups required, but Power BI not required. These 5 very close by each other, very close to each other. You can easily perform. Okay. Now, first what we need to do, get the data, then only we can do anything. So click get data. What is that? Excel file. Where is the file? In our lab backup, family expenses file. Get data and browse to Excel. Click open. This is the table 1. You click on it. Data looks like this, a preview. Click load. So once you bring the data, it will go here and show like this. In the data area, what all you bring, it will be available here. And I will explain a little more detail tomorrow. Don't worry, guys. This is a basic practice. Now, this table data you want to see, click on this data view. It will show you the data. But something is not good if you see this. Date, lot of gap, amount, reason, area, location. This is column heading area. In other words, we don't require this. We need date and all in the first row. So this one supposed to be first one. This one supposed to be first one. How is it possible? That is called data changing. What do you call it? Data changing. If you want to do that, go home, transform data. Go home, transform data. It will open a separate area. So this is Power Query area. Which area? Power Query area. And some people say extract transform area. What do they call it? Extract transform area. So do the operations, but especially what you want to do. This one column heading. This one as column heading. So click on this. And there is an option called use first row header in this area. So this will become the first row. So click on this, use first row as header. Now the data looking good. Guys, data looking good. Successful. So we need to save the changes and close. Home menu. Close and apply. So what exactly I did? Shall we have a recap? Transform data. Transform data. I clicked on it. Use first row as header. Successfully completed. Home menu. Close and apply. Why close and apply? Why close and apply? I want to apply the changes and then close. So ready, sir, data looking good. What is the pending one? Pending one is first one I extracted, second one I transferred, third one modeling is required, but only one table available, no modeling. Only one table available, no modeling. If two or more tables available, modeling we will do. That is relationship establishment we do. So first area, second area completed, third area not required. Fourth area, if you go to this area, here security we apply but not required now. So the last area, visualization area, this area required. These are the areas. Daily we deal with the same areas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But 1 completed, 2 completed, 3 not required, 4 not required now, 5th is required. Visualization. Now first one. I want total discount fee. Sorry, total amount, not discount fee, total amount. Click a card visual. So we take this and this only, no other. Now click on this card one. Fields, mention amount in the card. Card for single value. You can ask me, sir, how do I identify which visual is required? Once the visuals topic completed in the regular class, then only you can identify. Otherwise, you cannot identify. This is just high level session. Just focus on it. What I'm doing, how easily I'm doing. That's it. So this is day card visual. I took value, I placed here, sum of amount. Similarly, I will take one more card. Click card. Card. Amount only you take. Not sum, I want average. No need to write any formula. Click on it. Take average. Ready, one more. I want maximum value. Click card. Take amount. But not sum. Click on it. Maximum value. All of you okay? But I want to format it. Go to this. If you want to format, there is something called format your visual. Click on this. Format your visual. Now go to this. This is called call out value. This is called category label. What do you call it? Call out value, category label. Go to call out value. And I want 30 size. Bold. I want a color called blue color. Display unit none. None means normal value. Next category label. Bold. I want 20 size. Pink color. You can take a border for it. General effect. There is something called border, visual border. With practice, you will remember. So this is the one. But the same formation required here. Again, what to do? Go to highlight this. Go to call out value, category label, border. But there is shortcut available. Go to this same format required here. Click format painter. Format painter, click on it. Again, click format painter, click on it. Same format. Now minimize it. Minimize it. Is it okay? But I want to change this based on year and month. So click slicer, slicer for filtering. This is slicer. I want year. Go to date table, date hierarchy, year available here, take year. It is coming in a different way, range date. But I want list way. So go to format, again format. Any format you want to change, just go to formatting, slicer. Between I don't want. Click on it, vertical list. I took one slicer, I took one field, format level, format changed. I will minimize it. Colors and all you apply in the same area, in this area. Format area, colors and all available, apply. Month I want, what to do? Same slicer. I want month, take month here. Month ready. If you select 19 data, it will show everywhere. See 19 data. February month. 19 February, no business. 19 January, no business. I know 19th August, we are having business. Whatever the months we are having business, it is showing. Next, the next part. I want top products, bottom products. Stacked bar chart. Click on it, bar chart. Y-axis. This is called Y-axis. This is called X-axis. Now Y-axis level, I will take year, not year. Products, reason, top reason. X-axis level amount. I'm sorry, here product is the word I'm using, but reason for top reasons and bottom reasons. X-axis, Y-axis, I took columns. Explore bigger and see. Food, 17,400. Travel, 8,600. Petrol, 1,200. These two my least spending, these two my highest spending. You are able to compare. You want to see composition, pie chart. So just click on it. No need to write any logic. Just place whatever required. Lessened, reason, value level, always value, amount. Explore bigger. This is focus mode, explore bigger. Food, 47% money. Petrol, 3% money. And internet, 6% money. Back to report. Now locations. Click on map, map for location. Location name you mention. Map, right? Map level here. Map location, take location. It is showing locations. Vijayawada, Visakhapatnam, Hyderabad. But you want to control your spending or control of the locations with size you want to do. Take value, amount in the bubble size. Explore bigger. So wherever we have more spending, bigger bubble. Wherever we have least spending, small bubble. So Visakhapatnam, less spending. Hyderabad, more spending. Vijayawada, medium spending. Go back. So this is in 19 August. But if you clear off total business, it will show you. Total, not business, total spending. Total spending. Visakhapatnam, Hyderabad, almost close. Vijayawada, less. And total spending, 1,07,000 in the 2 months. Average spending, maximum amount for total. Only 2020 you want to see, 20-year spending. 20-year Visakhapatnam more spending when compared to Hyderabad and Vijayawada. Like this, you can analyze. You can develop a report. And this you need to save it before moving to customer. File menu, save. Vinay Tech. Demo report document. This is a document. What is the extension it is taking? File menu, save. This is extension. If you go to Word documents, DOCX, Excel documents, XLSX, Power BI documents, PBX. It's a document, not a report. So this is a document, not a report. You want to check, just go to this data documents area. This is the one I saved it. In this area, I saved it. Document, no. Not a report. As a document, it is saved. And your customer required only this area. this area. He does not require your extraction part, your transformation part, your modeling part, your security part. Only this area required with wonderful interaction. How is it possible? If you want to do that, just move this document, publish, move this to cloud, or move this to server. From here, your customer can access. Got clarity? So that part I will tell you in the regular classes. Tell me now, anything complex here to perform? No logic, nothing I use. New navigation, you may feel little tricky, but nothing great. Just click on it, place the column. Sir, you said low code, where do we write it? Right now, sum, average, you are able to perform, okay. The sum and average. But I want a formula like this, x plus y multiplied by z plus k, or rank you need to find it, and then some round you need to do something like this. How do you do that? In that situation, we use a language called DAX language, data analysis expression language, a modeling and analysis language, modeling analysis, not a programming language. DAX full form data analysis expressions. This language for modeling and analysis, not a programming language. Just functional or formula language. Similar to Excel. It looks like Excel functions. That's it. So this is the only language we use it as part of complex logics implementation. Otherwise, Power BI is very simple one. So as I said at the beginning, we converted our normal data to decision-making data. Over. So whatever I planned for 2 days, successfully completed. First demo, second demo. And as I told you, we will provide you daily class video, near real-time projects too, multiple case studies, and theory practical material you will receive. Slowly, study I will go from basics to advanced. Any graduate can learn, and Excel or SQL advanced knowledge is advantage. In case demo related queries you are having, you can take mic and ask, or anything related to your professional or career guidance. This is my contact number. You can reach out to me. And final point, my training is best suitable for your interviews in case you want to face, because interview questions, resume preparation, mock interviews, everything we provide support. Real-time working people to work happily in the companies. And you want to clear the exam PL 300, yes, 80% covered. It's a very detailed, proper, systematic, subject-oriented and real-time oriented training. I'm done from my side, guys.